Connex is the Association for Multi-Site Facilities Management. Our membership includes hundreds of executives who manage facilities for companies like DaVita Kidney Care, National Vision, and Heartland Dental. At Connex, we help our healthcare members succeed by connecting them with others who face similar challenges. We provide an extensive network of proven suppliers, and we help our members stay ahead of new industry trends. When you are sick or hurt and you go to a healthcare clinic, the last thing you're thinking about is how that facility is maintained. You just want help now. Fortunately, you don't have to worry about the facility because facilities management's pros, like those who belong to Connex, know how to keep healthcare facilities clean, safe, and comfortable. We are the Association for Multi-Site Facilities Management Professionals. Healthcare clinics are popping up everywhere. In 2006, there were just 351 freestanding medical clinics in the U.S. That number grew to 2,800 by 2017 and will double by 2022. These facilities, along with dental clinics, eye care shops, dialysis centers, and others, face some very unique facilities management challenges. Whether it's managing hazardous waste, following HIPAA guidelines, sanitizing rooms, or keeping a temperature inside just right. It takes a pro to keep those locations healthy and inviting 24 hours a day in most cases. Connex, the Association for Multi-Site Facilities Networking. Join us in leading the way in facilities management. The next time you're sick, don't worry. If a Connex Facilities Pro is managing the facility you visit, you know you're in good hands. Join us in leading the way in facilities management.